Hello and welcome to the Splynt onboarding tutorial. My name is Heath Pratt and I'm the founder of Splynt Inc. If this is the first time you've heard of this app or someone sent this to you to get started, Splynt is a mobile app that allows you to connect 24/7 to get care for your athletic and musculoskeletal injuries. Splynt allows you to connect to athletic trainers any time of the day to be assessed and treated for your injuries. It also allows you to do home exercise and rehabilitation to get back to feeling better sooner. You can track your injuries as well as their symptoms over time and even get referred to the most qualified physicians and physical therapists in your area. And with that, let's get started. From any mobile phone, open up your App Store and type in the search bar Splynt, spelled S-P-L-Y-N-T. The correct app is a blue logo with white lettering that says Splynt Instant Telehealth. Let's go ahead and download that now. Once downloaded, go ahead and open up the application. First, we'll need to sign up and create a new account. You'll be signing up as a patient. From here, you'll need to enter all relevant information such as name, email, address, and lastly, your group code. I've entered the information for a new test account to demonstrate the process. Your group code is a 6-digit or less code that is likely sent to you through either your athletic administrator, coach, or another individual within your organization. The group code is not required to utilize the application, but it does group you with the correct individuals and providers to oversee your care. Let's go ahead and type in your group code now. Be sure to click the arrow next to the box to verify that this group code is active and working, and you'll see a nice green check mark next to it. With all the information put in, be sure to click the box next to the Splynt Terms of Service and Privacy Policies and hit Register. If everything worked perfectly, you'll see a nice checkbox here congratulating on your account creation and asking you to log in. Back on the home screen, your email will be saved, but you need to re-enter your password. Once logged in, you can stay logged in for as long as you like. Upon first login, you'll receive an immediate notification in the top right hand of your screen from your assigned provider. These are either athletic trainers that are already within your organization or one of Splynt's own athletic trainers provided to you, like myself. This will have a text from the athletic trainer asking if you have any questions or how to use the app, and we'll attach an image that shows you how the application works. Back on the home screen, we will see 3 buttons located on the bottom of the app. The leftmost button allows us to get more immediate care when we need it. You'll see 3 options in this menu, including the nearest ER function, dialing 911, and calling an urgent provider. When calling an urgent provider, this sends an immediate notification to all available athletic trainers first within your group, and secondly to over 50 athletic trainers on our platform. These calls are addressed quickly and will connect you to an athletic trainer in under 60 seconds. Think of this function when you've just recently been injured or if you want to talk to someone immediately. Back on the main page, the bottom middle button will allow you to see your assigned providers. Here you can book appointments with them and chat with them, all based on your own schedule. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to sign up and utilize the Splynt application. We built the service to allow better access for individuals suffering from injuries and to connect you to the most qualified providers. Just remember, if you ever have any questions about your aches, pains, or strains, just open up this app with one tap and connect anytime you're in need.